Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin, Shikha, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Today I am going to take English language class for the students of class 3 on the topic of spelling dictation and oral sheet practicing. I am repeating. Today our topic is spelling dictation and oral sheet practice. Students, this is our 19th lecture and 17th homework. I'm repeating, this is our 19th lecture and 17th homework. Students, take your notebook and writing elements. First, we'll discuss about spelling dictation and you have to pick them in your notebook. So, let's begin. Today's topic is first spelling dictation. Students, you know about spelling dictation because you get this topic in your earlier classes. Teacher will pronounce some words for you and you have to hear them properly and then you have to write the words in your notebook or in your exam copy. Our first word is protect. Teacher will say or pronounce 3 times for a word like protect, protect, protect. You have to observe the word, you have to hear the word correctly and then you have to write it. Okay, now say with me and spell with me all these words. Protect. P-R-O-T-E-C-T. Protect. Again, P-R-O-T-E-C-T. Protect. Number 2, brilliant. B-R-I-L-L-I-A-N-T. Brilliant. Number 3, invitation. Spell with me. I-N-V-I-T-A-T-I-O-N. Invitation. Number 4, separate. S-E-P-A-R-A-T-E. Separate. Number 5, careless. C-A-R-E-L-E-S-S. Careless. Number 6, grasshopper. Spell it G-R-A-S-S-H-O-P-E-R. Grasshopper. Number 7, champion. C-H-A-M-P-I-O-N. Champion. Number 8, telephone. T-E-L-E-P-H-O-N-E. Telephone. Number 9, laughter. L-A-U-G-H-T-E-R. Laughter. Number 10, comfortable. Spell C-O-M-F-O-R-T-A-B-L-E. Comfortable. Number 11, bridge. B-R-I-D-G-E. Bridge. 12, enough. Spell E-N-O-U-G-H. Enough. Number 13, obedient. O-B-E-D-I-E-N-T. Obedient. Number 14, valuable. V-A-L-U-A-B-L-E. Valuable. Number 15, grammar. G-R-A-M-M-A-R. Grammar. Number 16, search. S-E-A-R-C-H. Search. Number 17, beggar. B-E-G-G-A-R. Beggar. Number 18, library. Spell with me. L-I-B-R-A-R-Y. Library. Students, this 18 words are for your spelling dictation. Please read this at home and spell again and again. Okay, students, we have practiced spelling dictation. Now take your oral sheet. We'll practice oral sheet of English language. So let's begin. Our first question is, okay, first I want to inform you that in oral test, teacher will ask you some questions and you have to answer them correctly. So you are known to this exam because you have attended in your earlier classes. So let's begin with question number 1. What are demonstrative adjectives? This, that, these and those are demonstrative adjectives. So what are demonstrative adjectives? These, that, these and those are demonstrative adjectives. Number 2, what is present perfect tense? An action which took place in the past but has its effect in the present is called present perfect tense. I'm repeating, an action which took place in the past but has its effect in the present is called present perfect tense. Number 3, what are past form of look, try, put, see, happen? So you have to say the past form of these words. So here given words and here the past form of these words. Look, in past form, looked. Try, tried. Put, put. See, saw. Happen, happened. Again say look, looked. Try, tried. Put, put. See, saw. Happen, happened. Question number 4. When we use future time. We use future time when the person speaking is certain about something in the future. Again, we use future time when the person speaking is certain about something in the future. Question number 5. Mention some words that are used to express future time. So for future time, we can use these words: tomorrow, tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening, next week, next month, next year, next Monday, tonight are some words that are used to express future time. So I hope you can say these words for expressing future time. Number 6, when we use preposition on. Answer is, we use preposition on with dates and days. Again, we use preposition on with dates and days. Now question number 7, fill in the blanks. Okay, number A, I live, gap, Chennai. Can you guess what will be in the gap? I live in Chennai. Chennai is a name of place and before any place we use in. So in the gap you have to say in. I live in Chennai. Number B, is your class, gap, the library and the office? Okay, here two things, the library and the office. So when we compare between two, so we have to use between, and when we compare more than two, we use among. So we find here two, that's why we have to say between. Is your class between the library and the office? Okay, now question number 8, when we use the conjunction because. We use the conjunction because when we have to give a reason or to answer the question why. I'm repeating, we use the conjunction because when we have to give a reason or to answer the question why. Number 9, what are interrogative adjectives? So what are interrogative adjectives? What, which, whose are interrogative adjectives. Say one more time. What, which, whose are interrogative adjectives. Number 10. What is descriptive adjective? Descriptive adjective is one kind of adjective that tells us more about the size, shape, color and quality of noun. Number 11. What are possessive adjectives? My, our, his, her, its and there are possessive adjectives. Number 12. When we add est to adjectives. The answer is we add est to adjectives when we compare three or more people, animals or things. Number 13. Give an example of present perfect tense. My father has come to Kolkata. I'm repeating, my father has gone to Kolkata. This is an example of present perfect tense. You can see here has and after has we have used past participle form of the verb go. That means gone. So it's an example of present perfect tense. Number 14. Give an example of past continuous tense. We were helping our teacher. I'm repeating, we were helping our teacher. Here we find were and help with ing. So it means this is an example of past continuous tense. Number 15. Mention some verbs that are used as conjunctions. And, but, or, so, because, etc. These are conjunctions. Again, and, but, or, so, because, etc. are conjunctions. Number 16. Where do we use capital letters? Mention two rules. So first rule, at the beginning of a sentence we use capital letters, and name of people and places we use capital letters also. So here are two rules. Number 17. Translate into English Shastoi Shampod. So if we translate, we'll find health is wealth. Say with me, health is wealth. It means in Bangla, Shastoi Shampod. Last question. Translate into English Alpo Bidya Bhayankori. So the translation will be a little learning is a dangerous thing. One more time, a little learning is a dangerous thing. Okay students, that's for our practicing oral sheet, and now it's time to provide your homework. Your homework will be spelling dictation 1 to 10. It means from protect to comfortable. So this will be your homework, and don't forget to write the lecture number and homework number with the submission date. Our lecture number is 19 and homework number is 17. And the submission date will be the date of Sunday, because on every Sunday you have to submit your SW copies. Students, do your homework in your SW copy. Guardians or anyone else can submit your SW copies on every Sunday and can collect your previous copies on next Sunday. You need to be serious, because you will get your CT, diary and SPA marks on the basis of the submission of your SW copies. That's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. Stay well and see you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.